Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to create a role in Google Sheets. Let's begin. First of all, apply rule on marks. Select C2 and D8. Go to Format tab, Conditional Formatting, and find less than type 50. Color. Click OK. See this result. And rule 2 result. Click select D2, select full cells and go to Format tab again, Conditional Formatting, add another rule, find text contents and type pass, change color, OK, click OK, and apply rule 3. Select marks, go to Format tab, Conditional Formatting, add another rule, custom formula, C2 18. OK, and text bold, color, click OK. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.